Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, which you normally use. Then you have to tap here, go to its history, and then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files. And then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.